In this video, you'll learn how to use bullets on Google Docs. Even though adding bullet points is a simple feature, knowing exactly how to do it will help you format your documents more clearly and make your ideas easier to follow. Let's start from the very beginning. First, make sure you have your document open in Google Docs in your web browser. You should already have some text typed out that you want to turn into a bulleted list. This could be anything: a to-do list, key points for a presentation, or notes from a meeting. Once your text is ready, the first thing you need to do is highlight the text in Google Docs. To do this, move your mouse to the beginning of the first line you want in your list. Click and hold the left mouse button, then drag your cursor down or across until all the lines you want to turn into bullets are selected. You'll know it's highlighted when the background of that text changes color, usually to a light blue or gray depending on your theme. If you prefer using your keyboard, you can also highlight by clicking at the start of your text, holding down the Shift key, and then pressing the arrow keys to extend the selection. Take a moment to make sure you've only highlighted the lines you want as part of your bulleted list. If you include extra blank lines or extra text by accident, those will also be formatted as bullets. Once your text is highlighted, the next step is to click the bulleted list icon on the toolbar. Look toward the top of the screen where you see the formatting options like font, size, and alignment. Somewhere in that toolbar, you'll find a small icon that looks like three dots or three small circles stacked vertically with lines next to them. That is the bulleted list button. Go ahead and click that bulleted list icon once. As soon as you do, Google Docs will automatically convert your highlighted text into a bulleted list. Each separate line of text you selected will now have its own bullet point in front of it. This makes your information more organized and visually clear. If you notice a line that shouldn't be part of the list, you can place your cursor in that line and press the bulleted list icon again to remove the bullet from just that line. You can also press backspace at the start of a bullet to turn it back into regular text. You can continue typing after the last bullet, and every time you press enter, Google Docs will create a new bullet for the next line. When you're finished with your list, press enter again on an empty bullet, then press backspace to move back to normal text. That's all there is to it. By highlighting the text you want and clicking the bulleted list icon on the toolbar, you can quickly turn plain text into a clean, easy to read bulleted list in Google Docs.